to fighting COVID-19 in Florida.
Yeah, critics, including some local leaders, are worried his rollback of social distancing rules is an effort to increase so-called herd immunity. Local 10's Amy Viteri live to explain this. Amy.
Well, cases of coronavirus are surging in nearly every part of the country. Here in Florida, the positivity rate yesterday was over 8%, and one local mayor now accusing the governor of essentially encouraging the spread here in the state.
The governor seems to be following this concept of allowing the virus to spread in the community on purpose almost.
As coronavirus cases surge throughout the country, Miami Beach Mayor Dan Gelber calling out Florida's Governor Ron DeSantis for pursuing so-called herd immunity, writing in this letter on October 30th, not the conventional herd immunity that arrives through widespread use of a vaccine, but rather the fringe version that occurs when you purposefully allow the virus to spread. Monday, the U.S. reached 10 million cases, 1 million of those coming in just the last 10 days.
And in Florida, in the last 7 days, we've seen an 18% increase to almost 848,000 cases. The trend is really bad.
FIU infectious disease doctor Eileen Marty says the reason is simple.
This rise is happening primarily and principally because of our behavior. Primarily and principally because we're not taking the virus seriously.
Now, the promise of a vaccine on the horizon. American drug maker Pfizer and a German partner saying studies show their COVID-19 vaccine is 90% effective. All the more reason to stay safe now, according to Mayor Gelber.
My message to people has to be, listen, now more than ever, wear the mask because there's some light at the end of the tunnel.
Of course, there are still several unknowns about that vaccine, including, well, when it will be available to the public. We got no response as of yet from the governor's office regarding those concerns from Mayor Gelber. We did check with Jackson Health System. Currently, they tell us, thankfully, their numbers have remained stable throughout their facilities. Right now, they have about 124 patients being treated for COVID-19. We're live at Jackson Memorial Hospital. Amy Viteri, Local 10 News.